That's how much rain we got. Crazy, huh? Me and Ruth thought we would come down here. Oops. And check in on the alligator pond. It's running good though. I don't know where it's going, but it's all running. Into our pond, I hope. I can feel the humidity, but it's not awful yet because the clouds are keeping it nice enough so you can at least go outside. I thought I would take advantage of it because the heat will be back before you know it, and it will stay. I haven't seen much gator activity lately, but I see a lot of people stopping. And I've heard there's one down here. Yeah, water's way up. That's good. See, it's like right there by the shore. Wouldn't be hard for one to come up if there was one in here. Look how close it is to the edge. Ruth's pulling me along. I almost don't like to bring her down here. Look at the water. Dark, dark water. Pretty quiet. I haven't seen the junior. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, a really cool bird just landed right there. Just hiding in the bushes. Can you see him? Not for sure. Can you get one? It's gotta be. It's always so hard to tell. That was cool. He had bright yellow feet. I don't know what he was. Looks like there might be something laying on a log over there. It might be turtles, or it might be a gator laying on some cattails. I'm not sure. Or it could be a stick. Alright, y'all. That's our mid-morning stroll. Take it easy.